In the crazy world of YouTube drama, this has to be the most batshit crazy story I've heard so far. Let's face it, whatever you do on this website, you're gonna piss someone off. Royally piss them off. So, when Leafy made that Pokemon Kid video a few months ago, he seemed to have pissed off a guy called Billy the Fridge. Billy the Fridge made this song on the likes of Leafy, on Pyrocynical, on Rice Gum. Then it's escalated, and it could actually happen that Billy the Fridge might kill Leafy. So, we're going to go through one of Billy's videos aimed at Leafy today.
Not to be too blunt, but I hope that Leafy knows I'll smoke him like the two blunts that are hanging out his nose.
You know, in the first Charlie Chocolate Factory film with Gene Wilder, where they're going down the tunnel and there's that creepy "There's no earthly way of knowing" song. Does anyone else get this horrifically eerie reminder of that song? Because that is actually quite scary.
Billy the Fridge!
Honestly, props to Billy. That's a really decent intro. I think that's one of the best intros I've seen on this website for a long time.
Leafy, you came out to play. Sorry I missed you, Leafy. I was busy whooping ass!
Right, I know that this whole Billy the Kid thing going at Leafy is probably so he can get more viewers, more views, more money, etc, etc. But this fascination he has with Leafy is quite worrying. Also, how big of a geek is he for that whooping ass comment?
Tossing fish in that ass, Leafy.
Possibly a new sexual fetish that's come about thanks to YouTube.
You have your army of children, but don't worry. I have toys to keep them busy, Leafy. We can play with blocks. We can play with sand. We can play with dirt, Leafy. We can bury the children in the dirt, Leafy.
I'm very certain Billy is acting and he's not actually this crazy, and he's doing it for views. However, that is the scariest thing I've seen on YouTube. That is just freaky. Just freaky.
You son of a bitch. You think I'm a fucking fool? I'm a grown-ass man. You're punking me out! Little fucking kids are punking me out!
Yeah, you're a grown-ass man having a massive paddy hissy fit to a balloon version of Leafy. Yeah, no wonder kids are taking the piss out of you.
You see, Leafy, you know.
I can actually imagine, with the size Billy the Fridge is, that would literally happen to Leafy's head. It would actually just go pop like a balloon. Seriously.
I could fucking end you! I'm a giant!
Giant, no. Size of a fridge, yes.
This is my party! I won't be crying! You, Leafy! You will be the one crying! Son of a bitch!
You know what I'm gonna say here. Hulk smash!
Fuck you, Leaf! Fuck you!
And then he calms down for a little bit, and let's see what he does next.
Doom, 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 doom. Leafy.
Yep, he puts lipstick on. The next sign of insanity is he puts lipstick on. Yeah, have anyone ever seen the episode of Futurama where they go to the robot mental asylum? Yeah, that just reminds me of that robot with the gun goes, I'm a pretty boy, I'm a pretty boy, I'm a pretty boy.
I'm coming for you.
If that was aimed at me, I would be shitting myself right now. I would be worried. That's just the weirdest shit you'll ever see on Facebook. And I've seen some of Anicia and stuff. So, yeah. Good luck, Billy, because... just because. Anyway, with that in mind, I'll see you next time. Peace.